This video is for educational and information purposes only. Mutual funds and stocks talked about in this video are purely used as examples. This video is not meant for advisory or recommendation purpose.
Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial on how to register with CVL KRA, the CDSL KYC registration agency. Whether you're registering online or offline, we have got you covered. So, without any delay, let's get started. Online registration steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for cvlkra.com. Step 2. Click on KYC Validate to access the validation portal. Step 3. Enter your PAN number, mobile number and email address, then validate with the OTP received. Step 4. Submit your request and wait for validation within 48 hours. Offline registration steps. Step 1. Download the KYC application form from the CVL website. Step 2. Fill out the form accurately and attach copies of required documents. Step 3. Visit the fund house or financial institute of your choice. Step 4. Submit the completed form and documents to the CVL for processing. And that's it. Whether you choose online or offline registration, CVL KRA makes it simple and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.